This absolutely free site right here will allow you to earn $16 again and again for an unlimited amount of time and no matter where you're coming from. But before we do that, this is Finance Babe. I'll teach you tips and tricks on how to make money online. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and don't forget to hit the notification bell. I'd also love to talk to you. Just leave a comment below. With all of that said, let's now jump straight into the tutorial so I can show you everything. So, this is the site that we will be using today to get paid. This website is called dailyuploads.net. It's a site I know most of you have never heard about before, so let me explain how it works. It's similar to the likes of uploadship.com and others in that it pays you whenever someone downloads a file that you have uploaded. Whenever someone tries to download one of your files, they will first see a bunch of ads before they can download the files, and of course, the ad revenue is split between yourself and the website. However, there is one big difference that makes this website stand out from the crowd. This one pays a lot more money per 1,000 downloads than other sites like it, as I will show you in this video. Furthermore, a great thing about this site is that when you upload those files, you don't have to promote them on social media or whatever in order to get paid. This website does it for you. But as I said in the beginning, I have a huge bonus to drastically increase the amount of traffic you will get and earn far more money. Now, how much money you will get paid exactly and all the information relating to payment you can check out by clicking on Make Money right up here. On this page, you can see that the minimum payout is $25, which is a bit of a downside, I must say, but it still isn't too much money either. You can also see that they offer various payment options: Skrill, WebMoney, and for those of you who prefer cryptocurrency. So they do have quite a bit of ways to make sure you get paid. Now check this out. You can get paid up to $16 per every 1,000 downloads. And while that might not seem like a lot, it actually is. You can see that by going over to some other platforms like uploadforever.com and compare the prices. You can see that this website will pay you at most $7 per 1,000 downloads. So Daily Uploads will earn us more than twice as much money for the same number of downloads, which is a big difference. And that's one of the main reasons why I'm showing you this site. Now back on this page, you can see that they do have a referral system in place. And this is a great way to make some extra cash using the website. With that said, another big reason why I'm showing you this is the amount of traffic it gets. How many people visit the site per month greatly impacts how much you will be getting paid. To see the exact stats, you can come over to similarweb.com. This website will give you information like how many people visit a website a month, from which countries the most people visit the said site, and so on. And when I searched for Daily Uploads, I found that over 1.5 million people come on that platform every single month, which is a very decent amount of people actually. And think about this for a second. 10,000 people downloading a file you've uploaded would earn you up to $160, and that's just 0.6% of the people who visit the site on a monthly basis. So as you can see, you can earn some very nice money easily with this website. But before I show you the next steps, subscribe to the channel and don't forget to leave a comment below. In order to start making money with Daily Uploads, you need to register by clicking on Sign Up in the upper right corner and then enter your username, email address, your password, and finally, payment information. When done, just click on I'm Not a Robot and submit. And you will now want to log into your brand new account from there. With that done, there is one big question left unanswered, which is what files will you be uploading? Well, what you can do is go over to sites like Free PLR Downloads and others and find files like tutorials, ebooks, and so on that contain useful information that will actually benefit the person downloading the file, which in turn will lead to more downloads. However, a way I personally prefer is uploading files from a site called Pexels.com. On this platform, you can find royalty-free images and videos that you can download and use with no copyright infringement, and with no attribution required to anyone. Uploading some photos or videos from here is a very good idea because people will get some value from them. And they are royalty-free, so they can use them however they want. And Pexels offers some amazing looking photos and videos that not many people know about. For example, what you can search for is beach videos, since not only do they look awesome, but people love them and more of them will want to download them. Now you don't have to search for beach per se, nor do you have to search for videos as well. Searching for a landscape or beautiful landscape is a great idea. Just a side note, if you want to upload photos on daily uploads, then make sure you download multiples of them, 4 or 5 at least, and then group them together into a folder and upload that entire folder, because daily uploads requires the minimum size of the file to be 1 megabyte. Anyways, when you find something that you like, all you need to do is open up the video or photo like this video of the beach, which just looks stunning, and click on Free Download in the upper right corner in order to download it to your PC for free. To upload the file, what you need to do on the site is click right here, then find the file on your PC and open it up. Then click on Start Upload right here and just wait until it uploads. When it does, you will be presented with a link of that file, as you can see, and as I said, this website will get you traffic and people will download your file no matter what, but I highly recommend you share this link with other people so you get as many downloads as possible. Sharing in various Facebook groups, for example, is a good idea. Twitter, Instagram, and all social media platforms in general are excellent places to get traffic. And that's it for today's video. This is Finance Babe. Give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next video.